AI is evolving fast. Are you ready? Meet AI at Flightbase, your weekly hub to learn, upskill, and stay ahead in AI world. Let's dive into today's session.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everybody around the globe. Thanks for joining us today for another AI in action. For those of you who are new here and who have joined us for the very first time, we are building a growing AI community. This is the QR for the WhatsApp community. Please do join in to drop in your inputs or to chat with us and chat with the growing AI activists, I don't know, the people who do a lot of AI. So that's it from my side. Let's get into the news segment. So like every time we have the news first, and then we would have Aryan take you through the model that he has built. So let's get into the news segment. So for today's news, first of all, we have Gemini. As a marketer, it's a dreadful work to do the PPTs all the time. I hope my screen is visible right now. Yeah, cool. So doing PPTs is a very dreadful job. And I must say it's something that I hate doing. So right now, Google Gemini has brought in this feature where you give your Google Docs, and through the Google Docs, it makes the complete PPT for you. And they pretty much make decent, good PPTs, and then you can take it to slides and do the rest of the editing. So it's a pretty good feature to come up with. So shout out to all the marketers out there who keep creating multiple PPTs. With that given, I'm a very active Claude Code user, and Claude Code just gave me the heart attack news. So they just told me they are giving Pro and Max users free usage credits for Claude Code, especially on web. So I have been able to do a lot of work using that because I use a lot of MCPs and things get a lot more easier when they give me free usage credits. So that's all about it. So please do try it out. And the next news for the day is, okay, my net is running slow. Okay, so those of you who do a lot of research on ChatGPT, this is like one of the best things that has come across. So normally I have to sit and, wait for the entire ChatGPT to do the research and then give the next context. But right now they have brought in this small thing called update. So once you press update right in the between, you can give more context and ask it to do much more better work. So for example, this person just forgot to mention that he has a cat with him as well in the first query that he had sent. So right now, he can just update the query and then the rest of the research and thinking happens with that. I think it's part of just the pro plan. So that sums that up. And yes, Gemini has brought in its features into Google Maps as well. So I think most of us use Google Maps. We are all Google Map, people. And I think I'm not going to get shoutings from my dad anymore for telling him the wrong left or the right, because right now he can just ask Google Maps and the Google Maps will say turn the right here. Of course, in its accent, but it does. And there is a lot of other features that has come in as well, where you can ask it to find the nearby restaurant, and then you can give it more details like how you would give Gemini, and then it will automatically find the restaurant in your route and everything like that. So basically, AI-powered map features is what has come in. And last but not the least, as a person who works as a full stack marketer, I have to do a lot of website designing as well. And I think this is something that has come to use for me. So Magic Path is actually a UI builder, and they had come long ago, but then right now they brought this Chrome extension as well. So what this helps me do is to, capture a UI that looks interesting to me using my Chrome extension, and then go into Magic Path AI and then make changes to whatever I want to do using my customizations for my website. And then it just gets a lot more easier. So creating UIs have gotten a lot more easier. So that's about it for today's news. There's a lot more, naturally, everybody knows about it. There's a lot more always. The AI world is continuously revolving around various other, news and everything. But then that's it for today. We have Aryan today with us. So I'm not sure how many of you have used Opus Clips before, but then we all know the difficulty of having a YouTube video. For example, our AI in action video itself. And for Aryan being our content manager, he used to have heavy headaches because we have continuous sessions. Every Thursday we have AI in action, and then we have multiple sessions on Saturdays as well. And so he used to have a trying to edit that entire video and getting his workflow done. So post production was a big issue. So Aryan, let's invite you in where you can dive more into this complete problem statement and show us what you've done.
Sure, sure. Thanks for the pretty good introduction, Shruti. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Hope you are having a great day and taking time from your busy schedule to attend this session. Before starting the session, I just wanted to ask you all, how many of you create a long form content? Maybe it can be this kind of webinars or a podcast or any long form explainer videos or kind of a long form content. Okay. Nice. Okay, so once you create a long form content, it's a headache to create a short form content. And in today's era, if you don't create a short form content, you are leaving a lot of reach on the table, because ultimately short form content is what drives a much more audience, or you can say a viewership, rather than a long form video or on the long form video. So if you are a sole creator or a brand basically, and you have this long form videos and you want to create a short form videos, either you do it yourself or you hire some editor or any content marketer or someone like that. So what it does is it will take more 1 or 2 hours for that person or you yourself to analyze the viral worthy moments or moments which can uh, go as a short on any platform basically to drive the more viewership. And then after identifying those moments, to spend more 1.5 hours to edit those videos, cuts, maybe adding transitions, caption, and background music and all. And on top of that, you have to rewrite all the titles, description, tags, and that too you need to be optimized. Like it should be SEO optimized, otherwise there is no use of making those. And then you have to manually upload those on the YouTube and all. So at Flight Base, we also used to take this kind of session every Saturdays. So we had a lot of content, and to every time create short form content manually, it was taking a lot of our time. So what I did is I built an entire workflow which handles everything. So I don't need to maybe trigger or push or anything. Basically, let me share my screen first. So basically, I built a workflow where you don't need to manually create a shorts or any kind of a thing. So I have basically used two type of tools. First is the Zapier, and the other is Opus Clips, which is an AI editing tool, which we will talk later in this session. So what Zapier is basically a no-code, low-code drag and drop platform where basically you can drag the nodes and configure the settings and use whatever app to create a workflows basically. So by using the Zapier, I have created a workflow. So before jumping into the workflow, let us talk about what Opus Clips is. So, okay. So many of you know, or many of you don't know what Opus Clips is. So Opus Clip is basically an AI video editing tool. What it does is if you provide him the YouTube video link of your video or any of the videos which you have locally or on the YouTube uploaded, it takes that video, it search for the moments which can go viral, edit it according to your needs. Basically, there is an option called as a brand template, which I have created for my use, where you can customize the settings according to your brand guidelines or anything you want. So basically here you can adjust the aspect ratio, you can choose any of the caption styles, or if you want to create a customized, add the fonts, you can add here, you can add the customized fonts, you can add the overlays where I have just added the logo of our company Flight Base. You can add the background music from here. You can remove the filler words, remove the pauses. So what Opus Clips does is when you provide him the link of your YouTube video, it cuts down the long form YouTube video into the multiple shots, which you can then flood on any of the social media platform and can drive the viewership from the short form content to the long form videos. So half of the work is done by the Opus Clip, but then you manually have to write the titles, caption, description, and then you have to upload it on the YouTube as well. So what I did is I created in this dashboard. So what this dashboard create does is I don't need to trigger or press any button to start that automation on the Zapier. Basically, in every 15 minutes, it analyzes my channel and monitors my channel if any new video has been uploaded or not. And if it detects that any new video is uploaded and it's more than 25 minutes, because we need to obviously just pass the long form video. So it takes that long form video and gives it to the Opus Clips, where Opus Clips edits my video according to my brand guidelines, which I have given him here, and then stores it to the Google Drive. And after storing it to the Google Drive, all the content has been displayed on my dashboard. The process clips, which is downloaded from the Opus Clips into my Google Drive. So you can see that I have a clip URL, transcription, and approval status. So if I click on one of the videos, it is the videos which Opus Clip has edited for me and not I have. Typically, it's a video where Shruti is obviously sharing some of the AI news on one of the earlier AI in action sessions. So what I can do is I can review the clip here and I can give the approval. Like if I approve this video, if it's good, I can approve the video here. And as soon as I click the save button, it goes to the another page where I can review and approve the metadata. So basically, as soon as I click on the approve button, the video automatically goes into an custom GPT which I have created, and also takes the transcription of the videos and gives it to the custom GPT. And I have built a custom GPT on a custom GPT and given him a certain prompts and trained on certain data, which are basically outliers. Outliers. What do you mean by outliers? Basically, if some of the videos of the creator is getting 100 views, 100k views, or 200k views, and suddenly one video is getting million or 2 million. So I've gathered all those data of the outlier videos and fed it to the custom GPT and trained him on that data. So what it does is it takes that clips, the transcription of my videos, and then create the SEO optimized title, description, and YouTube text. And again, here I can just approve if I think it's good. And if I think that need to be changed in a description or title or anything, I can easily change it here. I don't need to go to any of the software or any other thing. Then I can easily schedule the video here. And as soon as I click on the save button, it automatically gets published on my YouTube channel on the scheduled date, which I have selected, and scheduled time, which I have selected. And on this section, I can see all the YouTube videos which has been uploaded on the YouTube. And as soon as it gets uploaded onto the YouTube, it automatically updates the table here with the video link. So this was one of the videos. So this is basically a front end. Now let me walk you through the whole workflow which I have built on the Zapier. So Zapier has this Zap kind of things. It's nothing but you can say nodes. So I have created a few nodes here. I'll walk you through each node now. So the first node is basically a YouTube trigger node. So in every 15 minutes, it monitors my YouTube channel and sees if any of the video has been uploaded or not. And if any of the video has been uploaded, it takes that YouTube video and goes through this condition. And in this condition, I have filtered like if it's more than 25 minutes, then only you need to pass from this node to another node. So if it's more than 25-minute videos, it passes through the node and gives it to the Opus Clips. And where I explain you like what Opus Clips does and how I have created a brand template of our company using our brand guidelines. So what it does, it creates the multiple short form clips and then stores it to my Google Drive and also updates on the Zapier table. Zapier table is nothing but the Google Sheets of the Zapier, basically. So yeah, and those Zapier tables get reflected here in review and approve clips. So I can just review clips right from inside the dashboard and I don't have to go anywhere else. Then as soon as all the clips has been processed, I even get in a mail that please do review all the clips. All the clips has been processed. It just needs your approval that you need to review the clips. And after I approve the video, it goes to the again here as I explained. It creates an automatically the title, description, and YouTube text, which are SEO optimized. Then when as soon as I approve this and schedule this, it automatically uploads on my YouTube channel. So this is the workflow which is doing this. And this app, what it does is it also takes the transcription and updates it on the Zapier tables, which has been displayed here. Yeah, here. And this is the basically a Zap which gives me an email alert as soon as all the clips has been ready. And this option triggers whenever I give the approval on the Zapier table on my dashboard. It automatically uploads the video on the YouTube and again updates my dashboard with the all the URLs which videos has been uploaded right here, which I have shown you in here. And the last node is basically my SEO metadata generator, which I told you is a custom GPT, which does all the generation of the titles, description, and tags which are SEO optimized. So yeah, this was the whole workflow or a dashboard, which saves almost so many hours. So basically, first of all, what we used to do is we used to manually take the long form videos. One person used to take those moments and edit, and then used to write the captions, titles, description, tags, and then used to upload it manually. But using this workflow, you don't need to do anything. You just need to create a long form content, and AI will handle everything for you. It will edit the videos, it will create the titles, description, and caption, which are SEO optimized and automatically uploads on the YouTube. So lot of manual work has been cut down because of this automation. So yeah, this was all about the automation which I have created, and I'm more than happy to take any questions if you guys have or anything else.
Great. Thank you so much, Aryan. That was pretty much it. Just couple of things why Opus Clip and why choose Zapier.
Okay, so there are plenty of the PI editing tools on the internet, basically Opus Clips, Clap, Blotto, many. So I have tried and tested all of them, but the results which I was getting from the Opus Clips was not at all uh, good. Sorry, not at all matching through the other softwares which are on the internet. So Opus Clips are giving one of the best results out there. I'll tell you why. Because some of the tools doesn't remove the filler words or doesn't remove the pauses, which makes the videos abrupt. And if you are uploading abrupt videos, no one's gonna watch because in today's era, the attention span is almost 3 to 4 seconds. So you need to grab the attention of the people very fast. And the main reason I have used Zapier is basically Opus Clips has an integration with the Zapier. So you can easily make the workflows with the Zapier if you want to connect the Opus Clips with it. So that was the sole reason I use the Zapier and not any other local tool like an N8N or something.
Mm-hmm. So can it process like multiple videos at the same time?
Yeah, sure. If you uploaded 2 videos or 3 videos or even 4 videos at a time, it can manage all the videos because it's a workflow which works for us. So what it does is it automatically takes the links of your videos, and the workflow is built in such a way that it can handle the multiple videos at the same time and create the short form contents which is ready to go flood all your questions.
Does it need access to your YouTube account?
Yes. Obviously, it would need your access because how would you upload a videos without giving access to your workflow?
Correct. does Opus allow to edit the short videos in case I do not like any specific image or text?
Yes, Opus Clips do allow to edit the shorts. So basically, if you don't like the edited video of the Opus Clips, which is photo generated, there I can just show you. Uh, uh, if I go to my dash home page, just a second, it's loading. Okay, so this is one of the videos of our previous session, and maybe let's just go to this video. And if you don't like the edited clip of the Opus clip, you can just go on this section edit clip. It will redirect you to the whole editing software kind of thing where you can add anything or you can change anything in your timeline. You can cut, trim, add music, then add B-rolls, transition, text, caption, anything. So yeah, if you don't like the output of the Opus clips, you can go manually in that section and do it.
Has Opus helped you gain more views compared to your earlier videos? That's a good
point. Yeah. Yes, Opus Clips has allowed me to gain more viewers because if you see in today's era or world, the consistency is more important. So if you upload more videos on the channel, you can flood more content on the channel, so it can reach a wider audience. So before the Opus Clips and this workflows, we were not much uploading the videos, short form videos on the YouTube channel. And because of this, we have a bandwidth of uploading the more videos, and more videos is equal to more views. So yeah, that answers your question. Yeah. Views.
I think reasonably the number of impressions have increased.
Yeah. So
it's all about impressions.
Yeah. So before this, I can't show you my dashboard. Otherwise, I would have showed you my Google YouTube Studio. But because of that, we have increased more than 500% of what previous views we were getting. So yeah.
Cool. Also, is this just about YouTube, or can you do the same thing for Instagram or Twitter, Reddit?
Yes. We can do it for Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube as well. So I have created a LinkedIn node as well, but I have switched it off because of some issues. And specifically, Zapier doesn't allow the Instagram videos to be get uploaded because the node which they have created doesn't support uploading the reels. So basically, I guess Instagram APIs has been updated. So if you don't upload the videos as a reels through any APIs or a third-party platform like a Zapier or Anytime, so they don't allow you to upload it. So the Zapier hasn't updated its node. So basically, you can't upload the Instagram reels. But anyways, what you can do is, I have stored it in my Google Drive. So you can create another flow in Anytime, which allows to upload Instagram videos using the reels. So you can just trigger an option where it just takes the video from my YouTube, or you can connect it through the Google Sheets where you have updated all the sections like title, description, text, and the video itself. So it can take from that and upload it automatically.
Cool. Can you show us the connection of Mr. Xavier? Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to, okay, I'll just create a, go to the Zap only. I have created a clip for your videos, and then it automatically takes the videos, and this is a URL which has been fed by the Zapier to this. And this is the clip length. Basically, clip length is something which the short clips which you want from what much duration. So basically, I have set it to the auto. So basically, AI decide itself that the what should be the duration of the short form content, because sometimes if we restricted to 30 seconds or 60 seconds, what AI does is AI doesn't take the proper context and does limit it to the 30 or 60 seconds, and it cuts the clips in between. That makes the video incomplete, or who's just sharing the incomplete information. So I just do it to the auto, and that's all it. Then there is an option of brand template. So as I told you that I have created a brand template in the Opus Clips where I have fed all our brand guidelines. Basically, what are fonts, what color fonts need to be, what background music needs to be, and what all things. Then that's it. And then you can test here, and yeah, that's it. Your Opus Clips has been connected to the Zapier.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Well, I see no more questions. If any do, feel free to let us know.
Yeah.
We would love to answer it. For now, I think that's about it.
Yeah.
There's more to this. There's more additions that can for sure come to this integration.
Yes.
There's a lot more things that we can do. But that's it for today. And that was the agenda of this entire call. Thanks for joining in. And again, please do let us know how you found this entire presentation and what more we can do. And let's ideate and see what else we can explore in AI or what other automations we can do in AI. Given that, for those of you, again, who hasn't joined our AI community and who has questions regarding these AI automations that we are working on, and so for those of you who are new and who would love to know want to discuss more about these AI automations and want to work closely with us, do join this community. We would be happy to work with all of you. Thanks for joining in for the call today, and thanks for being there. I think one of you has asked about, okay, can you share the workflow? Diplin, I hope I'm telling the name right, but for sure, please do contact Aryan. Aryan can share his LinkedIn.
Yes.
Yeah, you can connect with Aryan and then he will share the workflow with you. I think it's a pretty much repeatable process, so
Yeah.
it's not going to be very tough. Given that, thank you so much. Thanks, everybody. See you in the next AI in action on next Thursday. Thank you and have a great evening, night, afternoon, morning. Thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you so much for joining, guys.